Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Prosecutors in the Netherlands are lobbying for a 8-year sentence for international superstar Jah Cure. Greetings in the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First.
Greetings.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know
Yes,
I'm
seasoned
Rastafari, soldier
greetings.
of Deep Roots TV. And if this is your
Hey,
first
Deep
time
Roots, man. How you guys doing out there?
I'm
We having
asking
a good
you
time,
to
man.
hit
We're
that
running
red
Fort
subscribe
Lauderdale
button.
Beach.
And we are going to have a great relationship in the case of Jah Cure versus the Netherlands. Ladies and gentlemen, prosecutors in the case against him are lobbying for an 8-year sentence against the reggae superstar, arguing that his alleged attack in the Netherlands amount to premeditated attempt of murder. Ladies and gentlemen, the Court of Amsterdam will deliver its verdict on the 22nd of March. Franklin Wattimena, press officer of the Netherlands Public Prosecution Office, said the prosecutors has asked the court to convict the 43-year-old reggae superstar for attempted murder and that the suspect should be put away for 8 years with credit of time served. Noted an official statement coming out of the Dutch country. According to the Het Parool, the daily Amsterdam newspaper, the Netherlands court was not aware of Cure's celebrity status when he appeared before the judge this morning, March 8. The answer charge ranged from attempted murder, manslaughter, aggravated assault, and attempted aggravated assault in relations to the alleged stabbing incident last year. I got stuck with Bob Marley, the senior judge attempted to explain on Tuesday at the starting of the hearing. Then you should Google my name. That was what Jah Cure said. You will be surprised when he sat on the docket. The prison wall singer, whose real name is Siccaturie Alcock, is accused of stabbing event promoter Nicardo Papa Blake on October 1st at Dame Square in the city center of Amsterdam, where he was booked for a performance. Cure had performed at the concert 2 days before in the Melkweg. However, he had not been paid the fee of €5,000. He was arrested following the incident and has been in custody since October 2nd. In a previous interview with the newspaper, Jan-Hein, one Dutch attorney at law representing Jah Cure, had revealed that they would argue a self-defense case. However, during Tuesday morning hearing, the prosecution questioned the celebrity of this claim, showing that the fact of the CTC footage of the incident is inconclusive. In the closing statement, the prosecutor argued that Jah Cure deliberately sought the confrontation. This is shown by voice message that Cure sent the victim and people well known, accusing the accused that he sent a message to the victim reading, the last thing you will leave, the last time you will live to this man thing. According to Het Parool, the newspaper, Jah Cure lawyer Tim Scoffer said it was never the singer's intention to stab the concert promoter in the first place. My client wanted to talk it out and just wanted his money, he said. The lawyer stated that the threatening message that Jah Cure sent prior to the stabbing were part of Jamaican reggae culture. The prosecutor also pointed out that Jah Cure told the police that the victim pulled a knife from his right pocket. The victim is left-handed and the suspect did not know this. The prosecutor rebutted. The prosecutor further outlined the extent of the victim's injury, revealing that he was in a state of emergency. The entertainer stabbed him in his stomach, which caused a perforation of the stomach and massive loss of blood. They supported their case with evidence from witness at the scene of the alleged crime. According to the witness, Cure said on the Dame Square just before the incident, "This is the nig I have to kill," and then made a stabbing motion. The witness did not see the knife, but he saw the victim clutch his stomach. Another witness saw also a stabbing motion of the suspect, but did not see a knife. The suspect picked up the knife before he met with the victim, not to protect himself from wearing an expensive watch, the prosecutor argued while attempting to establish premeditation. They further retired that the, situation could have been prevented and reiterated that the singer must have known what he was doing and that the victim could have died. These are grave crimes that not only have consequence for the person involved or even the victim, I should say, but also severe shaking the legal order, because victim is stabbed in broad daylight and in a busy city center of Amsterdam. He invokes feeling of unsafety amongst the general population. The prosecutor continued, "There is no jury system here in the Netherlands. In case like these, trials are conducted by panel of 3 judges. The judge and the prosecutor and the defense attorney may ask the suspect a number of questions. Once the panel of the judge is satisfied that they have sufficient information about the case, the presiding judge will ask the prosecutor to make his or her closing statement. In the final statement of the trial, the court may find the suspect guilty or not guilty, or may dismiss the charges. If the suspect is found guilty, the court will pass a sentence. This can be a fine, a term of imprisonment, or an alternative penalty such as community service or restoration in the order of money or different things. In 1998, we all know Jah Cure was sentenced to 13 years in prison for raping and robbing a woman at gunpoint. He served 8 years, and during the last leg of his sentence, the singer's popularity skyrocketed following the release of his single Longing For in 2005. And Love Is in 2005 also, which he recently admitted were recorded illegally and True Reflection, the one they call Prison Walls, in 2007. This is another step back for Jah Cure. His 2015 album, The Cure, earned him a Grammy nomination for Best Reggae Album of the Year. Last September, before his arrest, he had announced that he was adding the final touches to his new album titled Undeniable. Ladies and gentlemen, it is undeniable, a big mistake that Jah Cure have made. I'm shocked, disappointed really in the Rastaman that he have found himself in a similar situation again. Seem like he have not learned from his mistake, ladies and gentlemen. You know, it's a situation like this that I'm telling the people them, so when them go abroad, them need to know, remember them morals, remember them quorums. Don't find yourself in the prison or legal system abroad. Don't even find yourself in the prison or legal system at home. Jah Cure, may wish you the best, brother, but Jah know, we can't help you out, you know. And you get yourself in this hot water, and guess what? You have to go get yourself out of the hot water. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, Soldier of Deep Roots TV. I'm asking you, hit that red subscribe button if you have not subscribed as yet.
Greetings, greetings. Yes, season greetings. Hey, Deep Roots, man. How you guys doing out there? We having a good time.